So here's a video of the back of the G7000. The other one with video is getting a little long, so I thought I'd break it up into two. So it's got a swinging rear door. You can access everything standing up. You're not taking latches loose or bending over or kneeling on the mud in the mud. Let me back up here a little bit and swing this door down the hill. It's a little bit of a slope. Now this obviously has everything that comes with it. You see in the bottom the water treatment, the test bottles, there's a chimney, there's a water level float. They ship it with a hook in the top to lift it with, and then you take the hook out and drop the float in the pipe on the top. Comes with an ash rake and another ash clean out tool. There's two ash tools there on the left side. Maybe a little difficult to see. There's a recirculation pump there on the left that pulls the cooler water off the bottom and throws it up on top to keep the stove an even temperature. That's something they're doing standard this year on all the G series models. Some other manufacturers pull the water off the top, but then they tend to only really heat the top of the stove. The bottom of the stove is pretty cool, so you don't have a lot of storage if you have a heavy heat load. So we're trying to pull our water off the bottom, which you see our supply outlets here are down low. That's a lot better for your pumps to pull off the bottom with the weight of the water jacket above the pump. A lot less chance of cavitation. And with the stove being mixed properly, there's a pretty even temperature from top to bottom. So you see the two air dampers there. This unit here has primary air is the top damper there, the bottom air is secondary air, and the reburn is a separate damper. Those two dampers modulate separately so that it gets a more accurate fuel-air mixture. The older unit did not do that. They were both tied together in one damper. So what this allows you to do is fine-tune the burn more precisely when you have soft woods, hardwoods, drier wood, wetter wood. My experience has been after burning several months that the old unit did quite well, but you needed more standardized, so to speak, wood. This one is more forgiving. The other thing with elevation differences that can make somewhat of a difference too. So we're looking at the supply outlets here. There's two of them there, and you can tee them and make even more out of it. Return outlets up higher. There's owner's manual, and they come with a hat and a headlamp. And you have your power junction box to run your power into, a main kill switch, and 4 outlets there to plug pumps into. There's one designated outlet there they want you to leave open for the recirc pump. It's unplugged right now. And then up top here we have the draft fan. It's got an insulated cover that unclips there on the side. They've got a clip on each side. You can pop that off for easy access to the fan. The fan's held in with, it's a little hard to see with the cover on, but it's got those 4 bolts that are slotted. So you just loosen the nuts, pop the cover off, the housing around it off, loosen the 4 nuts, fan rotates and pops out. It's really easy to access everything. It's good to check your fan occasionally. Then this whole panel comes off, and I can't really do that with my and hold the phone at the same time. I'll have to do a separate video for that. But that whole panel comes off, so it's a wide open, that whole area where the exhaust tubes come up through the water jacket is wide open. You just swing it out of the way, and you've got complete access to everything up top. So that's a little tour in the back of the furnace. The sensor up there in the exhaust stream is the O2 sensor. That's how it knows where the control knows where to modulate. Another feature on the side here, they do have a place you can plug in a cable and take it to your computer or to a router. And sorry about the reverse sound beep there. There's a shipment coming in here. So you could monitor the furnace control from your home computer, and probably with the right app you could watch it from your phone. So that's a little tour here. On the outside you've got your handle for your shaker. That's the shaker handle. If you let go, it drops the turbulators sharply, so it shakes the ash off of them. And then your smoke bypass handle comes over center and locks. And then your control panel, it's screwed shut. I'll have to do a separate video on that. and your lift hook is up top, and that also serves as your water level float once you take that out. I'll do a little more detailed video here in the next day or two and keep passing them on.